This delicious wife cookbook meal will keep them coming back for more. Let's make these smothered pork chops. Squeeze on some mustard onto those pork chops, but make sure you do not drown them. And all the seasonings are down below in the description bar. This is even more important to massage and those seasoning in there and make sure that it marinates for up to 20 minutes. The dry ingredient seasonings added to this bag are down below. Have your pan on medium-high heat so that the pork chop is golden on both sides. Lower the heat down to medium-low to make sure that you are browning the gravy, but not burning the gravy.
This home-cooked dish is the key to my heart. Wife Cookbook Smothered Pork Chops gets a 5-star.
Try it. Meet me down in the comment section and let me know that you tried this delicious meal. Don't forget to like, share this video, and most importantly, hit that bell notification so that you could be a part of the next time we cook this homegrown delicious meal.